Hello and welcome to our video on how to make our 45-5 PIAZZA Storico button-down skirt with painted and stamped motif. You start by cutting your piece of fabric. You can use our sewing pattern from sistermacpatterns.com for cutting and marking all your pleat details. Prepare your fabric by ironing and then cut both front edges of the skirt panel with pinking shears. Then finish with a zigzag stitch. Press the sides inward by 5 centimeters. Use a transfer pen to trace the desired motif from the pattern sheet onto the center front of the skirt. Make sure that your painting is right in the middle of the fabric piece. Fix the motif with pins and transfer with your iron. Now it is time to stamp. You can create your own pattern or use the template provided in this instruction. Print and cut the stamp shapes. Place them on a halved potato and cut about 5 millimeters along the shape's edge. Trim around the edges so the form stands raised. Before using the stamp, drain the overflowing liquid and starch by pressing the blank potato stamp onto paper. Choose liquid textile paints in your desired colors and apply paint to the surface of the potato stamp using a brush. Start stamping. This process should be super fun, as you can choose your own forms and use the colors you chose to create the perfect summer feeling. Now trace the city motif with a textile marker. Depending on the fabric, choose a marker that doesn't bleed too much. It's best to test it on a scrap piece first. Use black or another color to trace all lines, then highlight areas, for example the windows, with a brush and a lighter shade. Let dry for 24 hours. Fix the colors by ironing according to your paint's instructions. When you are done with painting and stamping, you can see our next video on how to sew the pleats and make the velvet ribbon waistband.